can make hundreds of dollars with this website here that none of you have ever seen before. All you would literally need to do is search YouTube, nothing more. There's no hard work involved, nothing too complex, and most importantly of all, this works and will get you paid big time. But for that to happen, you need to make sure you watch every single second of this video so you actually know how to set this up correctly. If you become impatient and just skip ahead, you'll get confused. You won't know what to do, and in the end, you won't make any money at all. So you really want to keep watching for that reason, and also because I have a huge game-changing bonus at the end of the video to share with you. One that will allow you to make not hundreds, but thousands of dollars in passive income. And with all of that said, guys, let's now jump straight into this video. The main website we will be using today, the website you have all seen in the intro before, is this one right here called wpdeveloper.com. By scrolling down a tiny bit, you'll be able to see what this website is all about. It's a marketplace for WordPress. They build advanced WordPress products that will help your business grow, as is said below. For those of you who perhaps don't know what WordPress itself is, it's a content manager of sorts. It allows you to build and host websites. And with that said, let's make something clear. No, you don't need a website for this. You don't need a business for this, and you will not be investing a single dollar into this website here. We will, in fact, be using this platform to get paid. As such, since we will not be purchasing anything from this site, it's unnecessary for me to cover all of its features. It'll make you guys bored, you won't gain any knowledge, and it'll just prolong this video. So let's get to the point. What you need to do when you come onto this site is scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and you now want to click on Affiliate right here. Doing so will bring you over to this page, and it's here where you'll be able to see that this website will pay you up to 30% commissions for every purchase. Even though 30% isn't the highest commission rate you can find, it's certainly better than average. Most sites I've come across offer no more than 20%, so it's fair to say this site pays you quite decently. Now this begs the question though, apart from the commissions, why do we want to promote this website? Well, one of the many reasons is that your potential customers are business owners or soon-to-be business owners. When someone comes onto this site, it's obvious they want to create a website of sorts. That, in turn, means they have money to spare. In essence, your potential customers will all have big budgets, meaning that you will have no trouble convincing them to pay this platform, and that is quite important. The main reason, though, that promoting this site as an affiliate is good is a certain product they have to offer that you will want to promote in particular called Notification X, which you can see down below. And by clicking on it, you'll be able to see more info about it. Notification X is, as you can see on this page, the best WordPress marketing plugin that will allow its users to skyrocket their business. In fact, by scrolling down a bit, you will be able to see that they claim that they will get people more than 20% increase in sales and engagement rates. Now, this is huge, guys. A 20% increase is a lot, to put it simply. Imagine someone making like $10,000 a month, and then they start using this tool and they start making $12,000 a month. It's a pretty big difference. And this is why I would recommend you guys promote Notification X yourselves. Even though you can promote any of these products and get paid, I would highly recommend you promote this one in particular. So you can start promoting anything though, you will need an account. So what you want to do on this page here is come back up a bit and then click on the Join Now button here. You will then need to enter in some personal info about yourselves. Your first name, unique username, email address for your account, your payment email address, and with all of that done, you will see that they will ask for your website URL. And this needs some clarification. You don't need a website for this. You can literally paste your YouTube channel in this box, or YouTube itself. It won't matter either way. All you have to do is paste a website through which you intend to get traffic, and in our case, I have two to show you: YouTube and a bonus tool, so you can paste literally either of the two in this box here. Finally, what you have to do is type in here how you intend to promote them, and you can write in here plain and simple that you will be doing so through YouTube. When you are done with typing that, just tick this box and then click on Register below to create your new account. Once you have created your new account, you will now be able to grab your affiliate link and promote Notification X, and of course get paid whenever someone makes a purchase. So let me now show you how to get traffic. As I said before, I do have 2 sites to share with you, and I would recommend using both of them to get traffic so you can maximize your results. The very first traffic source is YouTube, and what you will need to do on YouTube is simply put, type in keywords related to conversion rates and/or sales. You will see why in a moment, but you just want to type in stuff along the lines of how to increase my conversion rate, how to get a higher conversion rate, how to increase my sales, easy ways to get higher sales, and so on. You get the point. You will want to type that in. With that done, let me explain why you're doing this. You see, every single person who created these types of videos didn't really get that many views, as you can see. The thing is, though, that every single person watching one of these videos, for example this one here, is interested in increasing their sales and conversion rates. In other words, these people you see in their comments here would for sure like a tool like Notification X to help them grow their business. And when they see that they can get 20% more sales with this tool, there's a high chance some of them will make a purchase. That makes them perfect customers for us. What you will do, guys, is contact all of these people in the comments section of all the videos you can find on YouTube. Try to contact people who have left a comment somewhat recently, but if you want to, you can just contact anyone. What you can do is either go to the YouTube channel of the said person and try to find their email in the About section here. If it isn't visible, then just reply to their comment. If it is, you can just contact them via email. What you will say is basically something like, "This will increase your sales by 20%, check it out," or "I found this awesome software that will increase your sales substantially," and so on. You will want to write something similar to that and then leave your affiliate link. This process you'll repeat, as I said, for all of these people in the comments section. And it's bound that some of them will check out what you are promoting, and in case they make a purchase, and many of them will, you will get paid. However, what if you don't want to bother replying to all of these comments? After all, it will get boring after a while. Or what if you just want to increase your revenue with another traffic source? Well, this tool you see on your screen right now is the perfect software for you guys. To give it a try, just click on the first link in the description. Not only will this make you far more money than YouTube and get you far more clicks on your affiliate link, but you'll also literally not have to do any work at all. It's as easy as that. As you can see here, you can make nearly $400 on a daily basis doing almost no work at all. No complicated setup is involved, no experience or tech skills are needed, and you will not be waiting around for results. As is said below, this will get you free autopilot traffic in 22 seconds without you ever worrying about getting traffic ever again, because believe it or not, this will get you clicks on any affiliate link out there, including one you got from WP Developer. There is a catch though, this is not a free software, it costs around $20 or so. But as an upside, you can see they do offer a money-back guarantee, and they will actually pay you $300 if this doesn't work. So they do remove the risk involved, or at least they try to do so. If you want to check this out, and I do recommend it, once again, it's the first link in the description.